with a look at this unbelievable robbery.
They say the heist went down like this Monday night just before 8 o'clock. Wild surveillance video from inside
What's up YouTube, it's your boy Juice coming at you with another video. Today I decided to go to the new Dollar General they built just right outside the neighborhood. You know, first time actually riding a bike up there, and lo and behold, some bullshit happened today. I don't know if this is being in the right place, right time, wrong place, wrong time, it don't matter. I was there, motherfucker. So check this out. I'm pulling up to the Family Dollar, about to get my Tylenol because my head is killing me. I see this motherfucker run out this store. Look at this shit. Big ass trash can full of whatever the fuck. Because when you buy something in the store, you don't run out of the goddamn store because you got the receipt. So he bolts, right? So me, I'm like, damn. Make sure I look, I see what vehicle he in. He got him a little minivan. He don't squeal the tires because minivans don't squeal tires. But I see he got somebody in the seat with him. So I get off the bike and I'm like, it ain't my business. And I'm still in disbelief, right? I end up looking at the store entrance and the clerk is like, yo, go get him. Fine, okay. So you know what Juice do? Juice go get him. Now, obviously, what I mean by go get him is obviously go identify him because he did have a surgical mask. I've already put two to two together. As soon as I seen him, you know, I'm already sizing him up, you know, looking at, I ain't doing all that. But I seen that he had a surgical mask, so I knew that he was in there taking advantage of everybody wanting a mask. So I was like, yo, let me just go, you know, stick with him. See if I could get his face on camera, just because, for one, man, Juice ain't about to throw away no vlog content, y'all. Man, okay, what if he had a gun? Man, shit, I'm snatch that bitch. Okay, it's not the movie, bitch. Everything in my life been a fucking movie. Ain't nobody scared of nobody with no goddamn gun. Half y'all motherfuckers don't even know how to use that gun. So what I do is I try to stay as far back as possible from this motherfucker. I seen the muffler was hanging on by some rope, maybe. Could have been some cable or some type. So as you can see, he's getting a little reckless. He obviously knows I'm like chasing him. You know, I ain't stupid. I'm not about to go on the inside of that truck right there, knowing damn well I didn't. Come on, man. I've been riding longer than this, man. So I'm behind him, keeping a nice safe distance. In the comments below, let me know if this is a safe distance to you to be chasing somebody. And I know you saying this ain't my business. Man, that's my Family Dollar. Family Dollar right outside my place. They just put this up and they got motherfuckers running out. Nah, man. I ain't. What's gonna happen? Like, what, police gonna get involved? Probably not, because in the video we passed the police station. That's what we try to tell y'all people, man. Y'all relying on the police officers, man. Nah, they really just there to fuck your life up. They not really there to catch criminals, man. So, you know, it looked like a lot of space, but obviously I could see him still. You know what I'm saying? If I could still see him, there's no way he's getting away from no motorcycle. Then I don't know these streets like this, so I'm not about to get T-boned by somebody for this fool. But I am, best believe, smart enough to know he gonna run into a red light sooner or later. So you know, I got a little stretch right here, and then I notice far up ahead there's like a stop sign, dust, cloudy, and I see this car right here at this intersection. So I'm like, all right, let me go fast enough but slow enough at the same time that the car obviously sees that I'm not gonna stop, run a stop sign. Man, I'm in full pursuit of a criminal. So this is 45 right here. He about to go 45 southbound. And I noticed, boom, that's where a rookie would have got T-boned right there. 62, baby. I think the front end came up a little bit. So I noticed this motherfucker's at the stoplight. So I'm like, yo, don't get behind him because he can hit that reverse. Get beside him far enough in the lane to where it's like I'm doing my own thing. Okay, boom. First face shot. He noticed I got a camera. He puts his window up. I'm like, nah, man, I gotta get closer to him. Come here, bro. You know what I'm saying? So now I do not recommend anybody else pull anybody else's door handle in real life, but I am by Jesus. Save me.
I mean, he got a family in that hoe. He got a family, man. He just trying to feed his family, bro. Go, baby. But I did get his face on camera, man, so I guess we do know who he is. That, ladies and gentlemen, is H-Town for you boys. I did me some detective work. I mean, you know, I could have busted the window, I could have drug him out, but bro, it's not my motherfucking business. I just needed to, you know what I'm saying? I came out here for some ibuprofen. I got a headache. I see a nigga run out with a trash can full of merchandise. I'm like, yo, that look like this nigga stealing, but I was like, it's not my business. And so, matter of fact, the ibuprofen, since they letting motherfuckers steal, man, I ain't paying for shit. You know what I'm saying? I ain't paying for shit. And I don't know what's going on with my bike. Y'all hear that shit? Like, that motherfucker was like, was I hitting the rev limiter? And the fucking rev limiter was kind of making me motherfucking shift automatically. I like to take this way, it's safer. But that shit right there, ladies and gentlemen, that's how we start off this motherfucking vlog. JEWSA chasing suspect. What do I do? What do I do, baby? I deserve this, Willie. Police station right there. All right, back to square one. I ain't gonna take my helmet off because I'm gonna continue recording because ain't no telling what the fuck. Oh shit, man. Yeah, I got everything on tape, man. His face, everything. So he just got a big trash can and just took off? That's what I thought, but I didn't want to believe it.
This man, he was out there when he was running out.
Yeah, I stopped him at the light and I mean, I was on the door handle, but what you want me to do? Like, you know what I'm saying? Buzz the window.
Oh, he got a camera, Miss Wanda.
Yeah, so I mean, I came here for some ibuprofen. I got a headache, so I ain't even trying to be. I might go with aspirin this time, man. think aspirin might be stronger. Fuck. Shit, what y'all be taking? Low dose. I think this for old elderly people, man. Let me see. Advil, I used to take that back in the day. Man, it's just, all that is fucking same thing as ibuprofen. Tylenol. We're gonna try. I almost might as well just walk out with the shit like that nigga did. Hey. You get something else too, probably. Something to sip on. The cave in with a big ass trash can. I deserve a Coke for that. Hell yeah. Hello. Damn. Man, that nigga walked out. I'm gonna play by the rules. They got their ass. Yeah, I seen y'all had some trouble trying to stop him. So my bike was still on, so I took off after him. And he was trying to get away, man. A whole family. Cause we got up to the light at West Road, right? And so he had to stop light. He can't go. He got to run it. So I get off the bike and Nah, he was running everything else. I don't know why he didn't do this one. Cause he seen me. We went on a pursuit maybe like 3-4 miles. Like, I mean, there ain't nothing to me to weave and stuff. So he was in the minivan. He took off, no tag. So I was like, I gotta get his face. So, yeah, there was like 2, maybe 3 children. His wife was heavy set. He looked at her and was like, what do I do when I was at the door? So he had no gun. He wasn't trying to hurt nobody. He just probably didn't have no money. It's not. You got your whole family in the car with you. What if I was a dirty person? Ma'am, he was trying to get away. Cause I mean, I was on his ass, you know what I'm saying? So, and then I backed off him cause I didn't know if he was the type of person to run me over. So I gave him his space, let him do what he gonna do, catch up. Let him do what he gonna do, catch up again. He didn't want to run the stoplight, so. Yeah. I'm telling you. You know, I ain't no police officer, so I ain't supposed to be doing nothing like that. But it was fun, though. Man, I tell you what. Man, this shit was fun. You should have seen it. Dude running out with a big trash can full of merchandise.
Just now? Here?
Like 30 minutes ago. Yeah. I mean, I've been waiting in this line forever, but. And so I'm about to get off the bike, and I see him. He hop in the van, burn off. And I look at her, she like this. I'm like, oh, okay, it's confirmed. I was like, I would have felt like an asshole to just come back in and just get some product and leave. So I just turned back around and chased him. And so, but yeah, when I got up to it, I was like, it was almost like a sad situation because this whole, I was like, damn. But yeah, cause I ain't the type of person to call the police. You know what I'm saying? Like, it is what it is. Man. Just, I don't know. Like I said, man, I almost wanted to. I was rooting for him at one time because, like, when I seen his family, I was like, man, feed your family, baby. But then I was like, yo, you gotta do what's right. I don't know. I ain't calling no police though. But if they wanna, they would do all that. Man. Yeah. He took advantage of the mask. He had the blue surgical mask on. So even if these cameras did catch him, yeah, when I pulled up though, he didn't took it off.
Yeah, he took it off. He was like this. So, ooh wee, man, that's crazy. Yeah, good thing he didn't crash though. Cause I was the way he was driving, I was like, man, he gonna wipe out. There was a metro bus coming, and it was just a one way, and so like, I didn't know if he was just gonna be like F it and go, but I was like, yo, this is it. Man, that's crazy. He looked Puerto Rican. Yeah, like he had that curly hair. Like he wasn't all the way dark black. Yeah. Maybe Dominican. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You said he got all the towels? He had one of them trash cans that you put outside. Yeah. Yeah. Huh. You talking about from the beginning?
Yeah, he was back there just throwing them in there, throwing them in there, throwing them in there. They found the house on something. He ain't gonna feed his kids.
Man,
He took the children in the car.
they was in there. I mean, it was like maybe like 35% tint. It wasn't like all the way dark, but you could see them back there. He took everybody for the ride. He might be hitting a few more stores too.
Probably is. He got way over here, but if I was at the front, he wouldn't have got told. If I would have been back there, I would have known what he was already finna do to me.
Yeah.
But see, I was gonna clean it up. Cause see, when I see a person automatic feeling with a lot of stuff, I would have knew he was finna get this. Be like, hey, what you doing?
Look, man, I had a headache. I ain't know what was going on. I just see somebody, an employee, come out like, yo, and he run off. And we make eye contact, and it looked like she was like telling me, hey, go get him. So I was like, yo, all right, man. But
Let me call him.
man, that's some crazy shit. Crazy shit. It's even more crazy. I was missing shifts. I don't want to say it was my fault. I think the bike, I need to go see what it's talking about.
Swing it, swing it, swing it.
My Cowie swing lane to
Swing it,
lane.
swing it, swing
Yeah,
it.
I swing my dang lane.
Swing it, swing
Cowie
it, swing it.
swing lane to lane. I swing my dang lane.